Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Z here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you quickly how to resize multiple files at once within Windows 10. Yes, you can do this within Windows 10, and I'm pretty sure you can do this within Windows 11 if Power Toys are available, because you will need that in order to do this. This is a free app by Microsoft, and within this app, within Power Toys itself, you have a bunch of different other apps. But the main app that I'm going to be showing you today, or rather the only app I'm going to be showing you today, is Image Resizer, which comes with Power Toys. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to be showing you on these 5 images. So if I highlight these 5 images, I'm going to highlight them with my left button, my left mouse button, and then I'm going to drag. So I'm going to click and drag with my right mouse button and drag it into this folder, because I want to be able to differentiate quickly between the original and the ones that I resized. So I'm going to click on Resize Pictures here, and again, this feature is only available if you install Power Toys, which is by Microsoft. So I'm going to resize them there, and I'm going to be using the small 854 by 480 pixels, and then I'm just going to click on resize. I'm going to leave everything as it is and just click on resize. And let's just take a look. So the original, as you can see, of this taxi cab is 802 kilobytes, as you can see right here, 802 kilobytes. And now the downsized one is 60 kilobytes. So as you can see, it really does downsize your images in file size and also in resolution size as well. Now, if we look at some of the other image sizes, we can see here this bubble orb in the snow. If we click on properties, we can go and see 1.8 megabytes. And if we go into the new folder where we downsized it, where we downsize the quality of this image, we can click on it and we can see it's 64 kilobytes. And to demonstrate this again, I'm just going to show you guys one more time. So if we click on, let's do this image for example. This image currently is 1.41 megabytes. We right click on it, or rather we right click, drag it into the new folder, because we want to be able to differentiate. I don't want it to end up here as well, and I'll be scrambling to see which one is the correct one. And I'm just going to click on Resize Pictures here, and then here it's going to, within the Image Resizer app, it's going to give me the standards, so I can even make it smaller if I want it, or I can create a custom size as well. But I'm going to leave it to 854 by 480. I'm going to leave these settings the same and just click on resize. And now let's check out the image size. So again, the original was 1.41 megabytes. And now if we go into the new folder and we right click here, we'll see it's 60.4 kilobytes. So now to install Power Toys, you can either go to the link in the description below or just type in Microsoft Power Toys, and you would essentially click on the first link. So you click on here, Microsoft Power Toys. You can install it via the App Store, or you can also install it via the GitHub executable file, which I do recommend if you don't have a Microsoft Store account. So anyway, I'm going to do it that way. So I'm going to click on the first link, Microsoft Power Toys, and I'm going to click on Install Power Toys. And again, I'll have a link in the description below. And I would again click on Install Power Toys, and you can see here it's compatible with Windows 11, all versions, and Windows 10. So install Power Toys again, and then what I would do is I would click on the top executable file, which is this one right here, and I would save it to my desktop. And then once you save it, you just double click it, install it, and you will then have Power Toys, which is very, very good to have, because there are a bunch of tools within Power Toys that you can mess around with, and one of them is Image Resizer. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.